Found out that Kyra, like myself, we both get this a lot, or we don't get this at all, rather. We're both Ukrainian,
Yeah.
okay? Which isn't something that I ever hear, and definitely not something that she hears.
Boiled eggs, boiled chicken.
Oh, boiled chicken! Oh my god, you are Ukrainian. Okay. You're way more Ukrainian than Jamaican. Like that's. I've done this like maybe 5 times before. You're
Okay.
fine.
Wait.
Fingers curled. Keep them strong. Oh, nice nails. Okay.
Thanks.
Crush it. Are they real?
Yep.
Oh my god. Very impressive. So am I.
you.
Yeah. That's good.